What's going on, Internet? Eric Bandholz here, founder of Beardbrand, and today I'm going to show you how I wash and condition my beard. Alright guys, to get this party started, I'm starting off with some Temple Smoke beard wash and some Temple Smoke beard softener. Now if you're new to washing your beard, a beard wash is going to be equivalent to a hair shampoo. And a beard softener is going to be equivalent to a hair conditioner. Now you may be asking yourself, why do I need a beard product when I could just use my hair products? Well, specifically, the products were formulated for your beard. And not only for your beard, for the face and the skin beneath your beard. Your head hair has something like 100,000 different follicles. It creates more sebum on your head, which also creates more oil. So you're typically going to use a harsher surfactant or a wash on your hair, whereas on your beard, you want a more gentle cleanser also because the skin on your face, like right here specifically, and even on your cheeks and stuff, are some of the thinnest skin anywhere on your body, whereas your scalp is actually the thickest the thickest skin anywhere on your body. So different, like even though it's really close, completely different. Now, of course, I'm a big believer of Beardbrand. This is a premium product. This is our high-end product, and what you're getting in that are incredible fragrances and notes that you're not going to be able to get in our silver line. There's a lot of different options out there. I know you guys can play around. You can choose. You can go with what you want. No sweat off of my bat. Obviously, Beardbrand, I think, is the way to go. So to get this started, I always start off with a wet beard. Here I go. Now, I do this in the shower. I normally don't do it in the sink, but for the purpose of this video, you guys get to see me outside the shower. For me, I start with the beard wash, and I am going to pour, hopefully you can see that, approximately, I don't know, like a nickel to a quarter size amount. And for you guys not in America, that's going to be probably about 2 centimeters across. I do like to work it in my hands first and take it to the beard. Now with the wash, you want to be getting your skin and at the roots of your beard more so than the hair. But with a short beard like this, you're getting the beard and the hair and the whole thing. My face is actually a little shiny, so I'm going to take the beard wash up to my face and go ahead and wash my face as well. You'll notice, like, during my washing, I'm almost trying to exfoliate out and get all that dead skin out and get all those kind of like sebum flakes that you'll sometimes get in your hair. So kind of use your nails and really get in there. Woo! Now let's rinse. Okay. Much easier to rinse. Much easier to rinse in a shower than it is at your sink, but here we go. So after washing my beard, I always follow up with the beard softener. Now a softener you can use as a leave-in conditioner. This is going to help soften up your beard. In fact, sometimes you can choose to just use a softener, and that process is called co-washing, or in our case, so-washing, I guess, softener washing. The co stands for conditioner. There is a little bit of a surfactant in there. So I'm going to get approximately the same amount of product with the softener as I used on the wash. And then the focus on this part is going to be on the hairs and not so much on the skin. So the goal is to condition up the hairs and not really worry about the face and the skin beneath it. There you go. That's how much I'm using. Again, I like to work it in my hands first, but some people will go straight to the beard. If you really want a good application, you can apply it directly to the hair while it's dry. And that will give kind of a less diluted product effect to it, if that makes sense. Like just the full product power on your hair. Now, depending on your preferences, your curliness of your hair, how you like to style your hair, the softener is really cool because it will kind of give you different effects for what you want. Now, you leave it in longer and your hair will get really soft. For me particularly, it'll almost get like head hair and almost to the point where it kind of makes my hair a little bit flowing and soft, but at the same time take out density and volume from my beard. So I tend to not leave it in too long, just a couple minutes. Now let's rinse. Now, I said that the beard softener can be used as a leave-in conditioner, and what that essentially means is you can apply a very light amount and leave it in your beard. But I tend to not have that really tough problem of like a thick and coarse and curly beard. So I kind of like to rinse it out. All right. When you do videos in the Beardbrand office, you have to use paper towels to dry things off because apparently we don't have any towels. What I would normally do from here is finish up. At this point, I would apply my beard oil or my utility balm and blow dry my mustache out of my lips and kind of into place. But this goes to show how easy it is to wash. Ooh. Oh, yeah. 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 That is much, I mean, I don't know if you guys can see the difference on camera or not, but to me, the beard already feels much softer after that quick and easy routine. I didn't wash it earlier today. And so, feeling pretty good. Let me know in the comments if you wash your beard a little bit differently. As always, I appreciate you guys viewing. I appreciate the positive comments that you guys leave down below, and the thumbs up, and the notifications, subscriptions. I never asked for that. Anyways, thanks for watching. Cheers. Keep on growing. Beardbrand is a premium men's grooming company with products not only for your beard, but also your hair and body. Do yourself a favor and head over to beardbrand.com and take care of yourself. Or you can stick around and watch a few more of our awesome videos.